Are you searching for an efficient solution to take backup of your Gmail account data? We bring you the solution with Systool's Gmail Backup tool. Let's check out the main features of the software. The software lets you take backup of Gmail emails with attachments from personal Gmail account. There is option to save Gmail emails as PDF along with attachment. Allows to take backup of single Gmail accounts. And there is email filter option to download only required Gmail messages of a fixed time interval. Let's check out the prerequisites before installing the software. Make sure that the mentioned Microsoft.NET Framework version or above is installed on your system. If you are using any of the Windows versions mentioned here, please launch the tool as run as administrator. If two-step verification is enabled, make sure you use app password to sign into tool or turn off two-step verification. Microsoft Outlook should be installed in order to backup calendar into PST. Make sure Allow Less Secure Apps option is turned on in Gmail account. Let's check out the system specifications. Make sure that your system is having a minimum 100 MB of free hard disk space. And the processor specifications as mentioned. And RAM size as mentioned here as well. Let's install and run the tool to check its working process. The tool opens with a user-friendly interface. You can choose desired language from the drop-down on top. Then enter username and password in the respective field options below. Before clicking login, make sure that if two-step verification is enabled, you have to use app password to sign in, or you can turn off two-step verification. Click the link below to follow the steps in detail. Now let's click login to proceed further. In the next window, you can see multiple options to choose. Here you can choose multiple export formats like PST, PDF, MBOX, EML, MSG, VCF and ICS. Let's choose PST option in our example. You can also choose different categories like emails, calendars, or contacts, depending on your requirements. By default, the output files will be saved on desktop. You can choose Browse button to change destination. Make sure that you choose a location which is having enough space. Below you can enable delete after download option to delete emails from Outlook.com server after taking backup, and choose apply filter option for selective data backup. In order to backup any particular folder, simply use the folder filter option. Date filter option on the other hand can be selected for taking backup of emails according to certain date range. After choosing desired options, hit Start button below to initiate the file backup process. Now you can see file backup in progress. You can see further details as well. After the process completes successfully, click OK. Let's check out the output files. You can click destination path link here to see the export report along with the output files. We are looking forward to hearing from you. Please share your valuable comments and suggestions below. And that's it. Hope you enjoyed the video. Log on to the given product page for more details and purchasing the product. For any queries, mail us to support@systoolsgroup.com. Thank you for watching.